In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass on Turkish Airlines on your smartphone device. This will work on both iPhones and Android devices. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device. Then from here, you'll need to go up to either the App Store or Google Play Store and then go into the app. From here, you'll need to download Turkish Airlines like so. From here, the first one should be Turkish Airlines, and then you'll just need to download it and open up the app. From here, you'll be asked if you want to sign in or log in, but on the right-hand corner, you should see a continue as guest if you are not interested in opening up an account. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see you can book a flight or you can check in. If you click check in right here, you'll see you'll need to enter a reservation code or PNR or e-ticket number. This is your booking ID. Lastly, you'll also need to add your surname, which you will write directly from your passport. And then you can save flight to your device if you want to do that, or just click continue. From here, it will give you your boarding pass. You'll be able to check in and give you every single detail there is for you before takeoff. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!